The Genesis GV70 offers Rear Cross-Traffic Collision Avoidance Assist, or RCCA. RCCA is designed to help detect vehicles approaching from the left rear and right rear side while your vehicle is reversing. If this system determines that a collision is imminent, it can warn the driver with visual warning messages and an audible warning. Also, braking is assisted in helping prevent a collision. RCCA is turned on by default and will activate every time your vehicle is put into reverse. You can access RCCA to turn it on or off, or adjust the settings by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, Parking Safety, and Rear Cross-Traffic Safety. If RCCA is turned off, it will activate again when the car is restarted. You can also adjust the warning timing associated with this system. To do so, press Setup, select Driver Assistance, then Warning Timing. From here, you can choose between standard or late timing. This system is set to standard from the factory. The warning alert volume can be adjusted by pressing Setup, Vehicle, Driver Assistance, and then Warning Methods. Alternatively, you can access this sound menu by pressing Setup, Sound, and then Driver Assistance. Here you can adjust the volume and haptic warning. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos, and visit genesis.com for more info.